To Nigeria now, where the state of President Muhammadu Buhari's health has been generating a lot of controversy. Nigerians are urging presidential aides to prove the 74-year-old is still alive amid rumors of his death. President Buhari left Abuja on the 19th of January for the United Kingdom. He was expected to seek medical attention there within the period of his 10 days annual leave. But some media have been speculating on the state of the president's health. There are even reports alleging that he died in a medical facility in London. The office of the president has dismissed the claims and released undated photographs of Buhari on vacation. And we can now cross over to Sophia Adengo for more on this story. She's joining me from Abuja. Sophia, what do we know about President Buhari's health? There has been a lot of speculation about exactly what is the status of his health. Sophia, if you can hear me, and I'm asking about President Buhari's health. He's on vacation in the United Kingdom. He was expected back within 10 days. What do we know about the state of his health?
Well, Beatrice, in June of 2016, we first saw reports coming out of President Buhari needing to be rushed to the UK over a pre-existing health issue. Into January of this year, President Buhari took annual leave, and his camp, the presidency, have disproved any allegations that perhaps he'd be in intensive care, as has been reported in much of the local newspapers and some of the media outlets here, really disproving those notions by also, in themselves, the presidency releasing photos of the president with his family in the UK currently really fine, and calling these allegations or rumors, as he has put it, Garba Shehu, the spokesperson for the president, saying that everything really is fine. Beatrice.
Well, he was traveling to the United Kingdom as part of his annual leave, and he was expected back in the country by February the 6th. It's only the 31st or, the 1st of February here. So what's all the hullabaloo about?
Well, Beatrice, President Buhari coming into his term as presidency, there were a lot of concerns around his age. President Buhari turned 75 this year, and the greater concern is really for the court of public opinion. How will the 75-year-old leader be able to help some of the key issues in the country? For example, the economy. The recession worsened in the fourth quarter, and not only that, the oil sector, from which Nigeria derives most of its income, has really receded and contracted by nearly negative 22%, the first time in 20 years. And you're seeing inflation also increase at about 18%. So Nigerians are looking for a robust, healthy leader to help steer not only the country out of these pitfalls, but many others. And they're hoping that President Buhari will be able to sustain the 4-year term, despite his age and these complications. Beatrice.
All right, Sophia Adengo joining us there from Abuja.